Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to our color inversion by pressing side button and volume up buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So how to set up this shortcut? We have to go to settings, then we're looking for accessibility options, and in accessibility options we have advanced settings. As you can see, we have few options, but we are interested in side and volume up buttons. Right now we have magnifier here, but let's use our color inversion. And let's see if it works. So side button and up and volume up button simultaneously. Yes, yes it does. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.